Bonjour class, a happy jeudi, joyeux jeudi, I guess is what we would say. Okay, yesterday I introduced you to two verbs, recevoir and apercevoir. All right, I'll be honest with you, apercevoir, I just feel like that is not a super commonly used verb because if you use just the verb voir by itself, the French would probably understand you, but it's fine. It's a good verb to know. But the verb that I want to focus on today is this first one, recevoir, which is to receive, which kind of makes sense because it looks a little bit like the word receive. So what we're going to do is today, you're going to do exercise number 4. And all of this is personal questions that you're going to be responding to. So I want to go through these just to make sure you understand the translation. And then I want you to answer them according to your own personal opinion. Okay? All right, so number 1, reçois-tu beaucoup de lettres? So that's saying, do you receive a lot of letters? Est-ce que tu as reçu une lettre ou une carte récemment? Have you received a letter, or a carte would be like a postcard recently, all right? So if you wanted to answer, I'll do this first one for you, and then the rest of them we're going to just translate, okay? All right, so never mind some of this work at the top. That's from French 1. All right, so if we want to say, I do not receive a lot of letters, I would say je ne. No, we need to conjugate recevoir according to je, which is right here on the page, reçois. So I'm going to say je ne reçois pas beaucoup de lettres. I don't receive a lot of letters. I don't think anybody does anymore, right? So that's the first part of the sentence. Second part is, have you received? Notice reçu is the past participle of recevoir, all right, using avoir. All right, so if we want to say, I have not received a letter recently. Je n'ai pas. All right, so here we've got our avoir in present tense with our ne pas around it. Our past participle, reçu. Je n'ai pas reçu une lettre. And then we'll just put recently. Récemment, okay? I've had a couple of questions about accents. Accents are super hard to do when you're typing them in Google Classroom. It's really weird because sometimes the accents kind of automatically come up almost like they're being auto-corrected, and then other times they don't. I'm really not super worried about accents. If you are handwriting it out, please try to do your accents, but otherwise, not worried about it. All right, so that was number 1. Let's go through the translation of the rest of these just so you understand what it's saying, and then I want you to answer each of these questions for your assignment, okay? Numéro 2. Est-ce que tu reçois des copains chez toi? Do you receive friends at your house? Now, in English, we would just say, do you have friends over? That's really what it's saying. Do you have friends at your house? Est-ce que tu les reçois au salon ou dans ta chambre? Do you have friends in your living room or your bedroom? Est-ce que tes parents reçoivent souvent leurs amis? Do your parents have their friends over, receive their friends? Est-ce que tu as reçu un cadeau récemment? All right, a cadeau is a present. Have you received a present recently? Est-ce que tu as reçu des vêtements pour ton anniversaire? Did you receive clothes for your birthday? Qu'est-ce que tu as reçu? What did you receive? That's where you'd list some clothes that you might have received for your birthday. Qu'est-ce que tu aperçois de la fenêtre de ta chambre? Okay, so that's the one little usage here of apercevoir in this exercise. So what it's saying is, what do you see from the window of your bedroom? All right? So you could say a tree. Like, for example, I would say, j'aperçois un arbre. Or I see a house, or something like that. What do you see out the bedroom window? Okay? All right, hopefully not too difficult. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. Please let me know if you have any questions, okay? Au revoir.